to die. I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, and I know a change is gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. Said I go to the movie and I go downtown, and somebody keeps telling me, oh boy, don't you hang around. It's been long, a long time coming, and I know a change is gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. I go to my brother, yes, I do. And I say, brother, help me believe. Oh, and he just winds up knocking me back down on my knees. There were times that I wouldn't last for long, but now I feel like I'm able to carry on. It's been so long, a long time coming.